nangyari sa'yo? Ano nangyari?
Just had a little accident. But I'm
Kawawa naman si Lucy.
Fall into the song. This time I think
Saan na naman kami pupunta today?
Ang araw ngayon, pero iiwan namin yung araw kasi wala kami sa araw.
Hello!
Say hi to my vlog.
Hello! We're going to Secret. Away na kayo sa comfort kasi.
Eh kasi naman,
Hindi ka attention vending machine na pwedeng kunan ng validation kapag kailangan nila. Hindi ka emergency contact para sa lonely night. Hindi ka backup plan para sa empty weekend. Your attention has value. Stop giving it away for free.
imagine na makakapunta ako dun sa lugar na pupuntahan namin. Thank you. May isda dun sa likod. Wala ko yung cellphone ko. Hindi pa kami nakakalayo. May nawala na akong gamit. Importante.
Gentlemen, welcome on board this EasyJet service scheduled for Marrakesh with a flight time of 3 hours and 20 minutes. Working alongside myself, we have Sam at the rear of the aircraft, Lewis, and to offer a very special warm welcome to our Easy. We'll be taking you through the safety procedures and equipment on board this Airbus.
Arabian.
Ladies and gentlemen, this information
My name's Ravi.
is for your benefit.
I've changed my
Please
name.
give the cabin
I didn't
crew
steal
a
someone
response.
else's copy, okay?
Now, just before we take
They
you through
made a
that
mistake
safety brief,
spelling my
I do
name.
need to
My
remind all
name's
of our
Mary.
customers that drinking your own alcohol on board the
M-A-R-Y.
aircraft is strictly not
Mary.
permitted. Only alcohol that's been served by the cabin crew can be consumed on board. You will also notice
Visited by the crew. Please make sure you know where your nearest exits are. They may be behind you. Emergency lighting will guide you to an exit. In an emergency, leave all bags on board. To fasten your seatbelts.
What's the angle? I'm not playing that game. It's the same business with a different name. Who's the target? Sorry, I'm not in the market.
Susuka.
If I quit buying, you can't sell me anything.
Wait!
No thanks.
Yan na, imig na.
Paano yan? Priority tayo.
Iba dito walang card payment.
I'll just take my chances. No thanks, not now. I made it this far somehow. I'll just take my chances. Collective pressure.
Pero masarap. Gusto ko ng ano, mabilad.
Malay ko, siya.
Gising na, gising na.
May energy na naman.
Ina, nasusuka si tita.
Arrived here in Marrakesh na. It's already 10 to 6.
And
Parang lasing si Jenny magsalita. Akala mo pa, inuman niya yung mga nasa kape. Mga snacks. Nasa kape. Grabe. Dito na kami sa hotel. Thank you. Nabutan kami ng refreshments. Grabe. Deserved. Parang much needed namin. Tuyong-tuyo na kami.
Just a kid when I met you, honey. Working on my daydreams. Don't you come and see me. Floating in a time machine back then.
Malagyan naman ng ano yung pagkain natin.
Ay, drinks ko na kakain na kami. Sa wakas, ang ganda naman dito. Grabe. Champagne.
May wine talaga.
Ako wine.
Wine yung...
Hindi ko alam kay Beshi.
Hindi makuha yung buong ano. Ano ba yung... May...
Ano? I-crop natin si ano. Paano to, Jax, ang ginawa mo? Picturean ko lang. Ay, ang ganda. Dito na kaya kayo sa harapan ng linya. 1, 2, 3. Bigot mo eh. Paano ako makikita? Galaw ko ng galaw. 6, 6, 7. Doon tayo mag-practice nun. Uy. Urusi. Pangit yung baba, no? Ops.
Ano nangyari?
Alam na, sugat ka? Hindi yan. Okay, to. Ito. Oh my gosh. Na-sprain ka?
Siguro yung ano, hindi ko nakita.
Step.
Oo.
Na-sprain ka? Oo. Oh my gosh, na-sprain siya. Mamaga. Kailangan ko muna ng ice.
Kailangan ko ng ice.
Doon sa loob. Okay ng ice doon. Hindi kayo ng ice.
Betty, hindi okay lang.
Hindi. Masakit? Oo. Elevate. 21 minutes recording, ang galing ko na naman. Naiwan ko na namang naka-record.
21?
Oo, kaya lang sounds na lang yun kasi nilagay ko sa bag. How could I resent those who love vacations if you're gonna go to places like this? Grabe naman. Thank you, Lord. Ipapasa ko to sa friends ko kasi madilim talaga. Hindi ko kaya silang i-video. Bahala na sila kung may gusto silang sabihin.
Hello! We're chilling in Morocco.
Ano nangyari sa'yo? Ano nangyari?
Just had a little accident. But I'm
Kawawa
fine.
naman si Rosie.
Yay! Pasa-pasa daw.
Ayun. So, nakakuha kami, Mrs. ng ice at chocolate.
Nang dekwat si Jenny ng ano ng tablecloth. Nilagay namin yung ice doon.
Ayun, no?
Ay, hindi siya nakikita. May nanghuli kasi ng palaka, nagulat kami, nasa floor. So ganda.
Nag-follow instruction.
Ayun nga, so ayun na nga. Nakahuli na. Ilang palaka nahuli mo, Beshi?
Nakakapatig-isa tayo. Kasi ko naman.
Sige, isa palaka.
Baka yun na yung frog.
Grabe no. Ready na kami mag-TikTok eh. May showtime. It's showtime.
Back to Mary. Yan, may ilang hindi follow instructions pero in the end, it all worked out well. Nakaka-bless naman tong araw na to kahit may disgrasyang kaunti. Happy lang ako na silang tatlo yung kasama ko.
Halika na sis. Teka, bangking yung... Ay, gusto magulo ka. Hindi, ikaw na lang. Hindi na, muna ka na tayo. Hindi ako nakasapatos.
Okay, okay lang. Talampakan mo lang yung mababalatan.
Malambot ba yun?
Sige na. Sige na.
Ikaw na, sis.
Sige na, Jack.
Di ba lang magpapilit yan?
Hindi mo lang magpapilit pa.
Ikaw din.
O, Jackie. Jackie, alam, maganda. Dito sa may ilaw, ha, para maganda kayo. Sige na.
Ako din sana kayo enjoy dito. Sorry ko na.
Jackie, 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 Lynn, sige na.